Poging lamig, nagpa-tribol. Poging lamig, pinasa kay Sentino.
Tira!
Misty Don.
Tira!
Tira, tira! Kumpare. Si Kumpareras, pinagtayan, Inciso. O, pasok sa loob, Marvin! Parehas malakas pala itong naglalaban. Misty Don. Uy, puto. Peñaranda. Susi mo nga sa loob. Narito ni Pereras. Kumpare, nilaban tayo ng kumpare. Ababat. Pinasa kay Pereras. Pereras. Masigit. Ayun. Patay. Inciso, 2 points. Wala tayo basi na doon. Sentino, pinasa sa taas. Ang binigyan ba? Ababat. Nagdadala ng bola. Ababat. Pereras. Uy, pinagkarin yung pare. Nakalusot. Wala. Diretso. Sentino, ako. Ababat.
Change 5, change 5.
Oh, change 5, change 5.
Yung mga lahat po, English, pakitanggal po, tagal. Yun ang number 27, yun ang number 27. No, yung kwintas. Lagin lang. Lahat po ng ikaw, kwintas po, pakitanggal po. Yung
Kwintas
number 27, yung kwintas po, pakitanggal yung mga lahat. Yung mga lahat po, pakitanggal po.
Ano number?
27. Patanggal po yung mga lahat po.
Gumado. Gumado. Bakoy! Bakoy! Tawag ka ni Mark! Yun, pinasa kay Fausto. Pinasa kay Rambo. At ipinasa kay Mistito. Kaya nga, pinasa kay Glenn. Ayun! At walang pumasok. Wala po. Okay, walang foul. Pinakalbot, kalbo. Bitomeng. Dribble. Nagbabantay si Rambo. Ayun. At nakuha. Nasundol. Yun. Tulog siya.
Interception.
Miss Didon. Dumiretso sa loob. Pinasa ang ganda ng pasa.
Interception. Kaya si number 30.
Nagbaba, 2 mo. Kumpare, binabantayan ni kumpare. Uy, tawin na.
Double dribble.
Traveling violation.
Foul by jersey number 17, De La Cruz. First personal foul, second team foul for the Black Team. Our round will once more. The foul
This game is sponsored by Dari Bookstore, not just a bookstore.
There's a violation. Subdivision. Blue ball. Wala sub. Sorry, wala sub. No subdivision. Sorry. This is a pass already. Sorry. No. Right. 20 seconds time. And give me number 23, pass to number 5. One shot for 2. 8 seconds to make time. 5, 3, end of the first quarter. Okay, this is Javier. Pass it to the Red Bookstore. League number 13, number 16, blue. Number 17, wrong pass. Medyo mababa nga naman. It's number 45. The return. Number ni Jordan. The return, number 45. Ababat. The Sunas. Intercept, number 13 from blue team. Pass to number 17. Shot. Charu, pass up number 32. Number 32 for 2 is a first deadlock on 6. Kasi number 45. Lock team 45 got a third. Ababat. Yan si number 13. Soldier P. 14 second shot lock. Airball, rebound to number 57. But play to blue team, number 17, blue team. Then catch up. Next up. Wala pa rin. Rebound to number 37. Master Ring. Number 17. Ayan. Number 17 again. Wala pa rin. Still blue team. Number 30. Killing number 45. Jordan the return. Jordan the return. Rebound number 2. There's a foul from number 4. Laban. Ayan sila pa. Number 4 from Black Team. Blue Bulls. Basketball. Peñaranda, number 32 from Blue Team. Jamin, Store. Number 16. Masagasan. Oh, intercept. Number 13. Support.
ha, 7.72 ha, 7.2.
Seven minutes and 8 seconds. Airball. Kababat again. That turn. That count. Still 40 seconds shot na. Kababat. Ang apat na magkakataon. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Again, number 4. Number 13. Number 14, wala pa rin. Five minutes and 58. Sabihin na 3 point. Airball. Wala pa po. Time out! Black team, wala pa po tayong sub. Pero tayong pasari lang po tayo. Wala po tayong substitution. Okay, half po tayo. Every 5 minutes.
This game is brought to you by Mang Juan Chicharon. Mang Juan Chicharon. Iba-iba ang lasa. May special sili suka. May classic chicharon at sukang paumbong. Mang Juan Chicharon. Paborito mo, paborito ko. Paborito ni Chandy. Number 13. Number 21, Sunas, airball, rebound, count. Number 13, Jack. Number 37. Blue ball. 4 minutes and 33. Pass to play. Ay, son, nagpalit na. Nagpalit na. Nag-case 5 na ba? Case 5 na tayo, case 5. Case 5.
7 from blue team. Nasa kay number 11. Bringing the ball. Number 11. Rowan. Steal. Locking down. Number 12. Napli. Wrong pass. Number 30. Number 23, Pereras. Pereras. Two minutes and 30. Second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound number 13, Lovely. Patrick Lee. Giving the number 12, not count. Again, count, number 13. Okay. Parang nangyari, matamaan lang sa 2 minutes remaining, guys. 2 minutes. Herrera. Okay. There's a foul. Shot. Ready to rebound, guys. Remaining time 1 minute and 50 in the second period. Minute 47. Palabuan, pinalik. Number 30, blue team, basketball. Taking the ball. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 16. Back to number 13, 10 second shot clock. 5. Tumama po yan. Now with the rebound number 17. De La Cruz. Black team, De La Cruz shot. For 2, De La Cruz. 55 seconds remaining time. 50 seconds remaining time. Number 11 shot, airball, rebounded number 23. Number 23. Pereras. Shot, 32. Kings play more. Now sa winning team is Black team. Number 30. Steal, Lovely. 20 seconds remaining time. There's a foul. 40 seconds remaining time in the second period. Ball number 11. From blue team, score natin. Our score, blue 11, black 12, 1.8 by black team in season. Giving 2 shots on the 15th line, 4 shots, not down. Second try in season. Seconds remaining time. 5, 4 seconds, 4 seconds na po. Only 4 seconds remaining time. De La Cruz. 3. Inciso. For 10.
Ayos ah. Mama.
Or third period. 11-14. 3 points lead, Lockton. 40 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh, it's a traveling violation.
Travelers. Travelers violation.
Pereras. Steal. Replay. Overpass.
Travelers violation.
Overstep. Pwede na po tayo mag-change ha. Magpalit. Pwede na tayo magpalit.
Oh. Nice.
Okay, papaliwanag po namin sa article yan. Sige po, kuya, ipapaliwanag po yan. Nagtatapos po ang player at tira niya sa pagtira. Nagtatapos po ang bawal ng player at tumira. Pwede po niya rin po italbog yun kapag tumapos. Pwede niya itira, pwede niya ipasa, pwede niya italbog. Yun po yun. Yun ang pambago rules ng FIBA. Okay? Tandaan po natin, basta hindi po intentional ha. Not intentional. Pero pag in-intentional niya, violation yun. Okay, klaro po sa atin ha. Yung tumatama sa ibabaw ng board, walang tinamaan sa likod, pumunta ang bola sa likod, good po yun. Lumalaki na po kalamangan, 11-18, 7.8 by Black Team. Pero so, hindi nakita. Opo, hindi napansin. Ganun talaga. Nangyayari po talaga yan, hindi nakita. Mga ko-referee, makikita kayo. Kasi number 45, pababa ng bola. Inciso section, yun. Pinuntahan niya, pinatawag. Blocking foul, number 7. From 27 from blue team. Number 14, black team. Binigay number 23 Pereras. Okay. Again, 40 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Ayan nga na, nag-overstep. There's an arm. Ball number 14 from black team. 2 shots given to number 27 blue. Given 2 shots. Going to the basket. Saan po yung paghingi ng timeout? Coach, ababat, sasabihin natin sa bench, sila po manghihingi ng timeout. Hindi po yung player sa loob. Kasi players tayo, din tayo substitute player. Okay, tama po yan. Ayan, salamat. Judge, sinakikita natin. Natutunan tayo sa yan. 10 seconds shot lang. Mamauli yan. 14, lakas pa. 10 seconds shot lang. Ready number 14. Dead ball lang po po sa timeout natin. Number 23. 14 second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Second shot clock.
Yun!
Dead ball lang po ang time. Apo, dead ball lang po boss. Dead ball lang po ang time. Apo, dead ball po. Tayo natin mag-dead ball. Yan, pag nakashoot. Pwede natin dito. Wala advantage yan yun. Dapat pala, may injury. Wala nang advantage eh. Pwede po i-time out. May injuries po yan. Palitan na lang po natin, bossing. Palitan na lang po natin. Sige, bigyan natin ng time out. Time out! Blackteam, pwede po i-time out nyo kasi may wala nang advantage.
This game is brought to you by Lala Fish Crackers. Masarap, malasa, paborito ng masa. Ano pa hinihintay mo? Bili na!
Ready? 10 second shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 14 on the 15.9% snap count. Second try, number 14. Ready jumper, ready rebound. Second try. Still not count. Rebound number 27 from full team. 5 minutes win time. Number 27, binigay kay number 47. Mark Aquino, that's Mark. Herrera. 4 minutes and 45. 40 seconds shot clock.
Yun!
4 minutes and 25. 14 second shot clock. Inciso, wala. Number 27, Steve, wala ka rin. 3 minutes and 55. 40 second shot clock. Number 11 shot. 14. Babala lang po yung sa 6-point lead. By Black Team. 3 minutes and 33. Second shot clock, ababa. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 45. 5 correction. Two minutes and 15. Nagulat. There's a foul. Foul number 5 down.
Oh, bola.
Substitution, sub. count, number 32 blue. Apat na lang po yan. 4-point lead, black team. Number 17, nagbababa ng bola. De La Cruz. Right skin, no. Wrong pass. Still blue, number 37. Pinigil number 11. Noli Lapsi. Nelson Aquentano. Pagiwa. Kompleto pa mga players ng blue. Puro mga star player ng PBA. All sila sa ila. Jordan Tagalog. Number 45. Nagchacha. Diyan po tayo.
Nag-agawan ng buko.
Blue ball, blue ball, blue.
Oh, blue ball.
Blue tayo, blue. Magkaroon tayo ng jabol kanina.
Blue ball.
Wait pa, huwag mo nabigay. Baba po lang. Hindi, nag-jabol mo kanina. Binigyan ng jabol.
Jabol pala doon.
Apat-apat na.
1 minute and 41. Ready? Peñaranda. Block. 10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. One minute and 20. Number 27 at Gowrie, number 14, black team. Binigay kay Ababat, binigay kay number 106. Remaining time 1 minute and 6 seconds in the third period.
Kaya pa, hawak lang. Hawak.
14 second shot clock. And 46 seconds. Ball number 45. 23. Shots. 46 seconds remaining time.
Oh, sa aming official photographer,
Shout out.
Mr. Laser, shout out sa aming official na photographer.
Shout out.
Warning for penalty block. Just only 4 points. Nakala nga ng block team. 18-22. 46 seconds remaining time in the third period. Dahil second try, split charity. Tatlo na lang po yan. 45 seconds. 40 seconds shot clock. 30 seconds. Pass to play. Marcus Sport. Wala na po tayo shot clock. 24 seconds. Every violation, hold down the referees. The ball hold the referee. Yeah. 22 seconds remaining time. Wala na po tayo shot clock. 70 seconds remaining time. Baba. 12 seconds remaining time. 10. 5. Wapit na lang po yan. End of the third period.
This game is sponsored by Dari Bookstore, not just a bookstore.
Subdivision. Foul number 23. Over the bar. Sampo. Shot clock. 10. Baldo. Black ball. It's a foul number 13. Subdivision, deadlock. Subdivision, yung siso out. Yung kapalo. Defense mo tayo ng blue, defense mo blue. Yan na po, ball's coming. Second shot clock. Steal, number 23. Caberas. Block. 40 second shot clock. Again. Kukunin na kalaman ng blue. Oh, sa change may more. Mamaya mo dead mo na po, boss. Only dead ball lang ako sa blue. Pereras, change favor. Blue team by 2 points. Pereras. Pereras. Baka. Okay, subdivision. Break room. Herrera. second shot clock. Time out! Lucky. Hindi naman po kayo na nagpapataas. Number 11. In season.
Hawak lang mo bola.
4 minutes and 40. Foul in season. Foul. Number 30. Bagbala. 4 minutes and 26. Pereras. Shot clock. Number 11. 4 minutes and 10. Pereras on the 15-foot line. Given 2 shots.
Baba.
Number 30 from Tumi. Lalim. 4 minutes and 5.
Travelers. Hawak ka. Apat. Last four. Kayo ba?
This is the last and final quarter in season. Number 23. By blue team. 40-second shot clock. 14, it's a foul. Foul number 13. Wala pa po. Warning for penalty. Lucky. 2 minutes and 32. Block. 5. Steve. It's a foul. Foul number 47. Time out. Blue team. This timeout is brought to you by Jarir Bookstore. Blue team. 2 minutes and 19. The last and final quarter. Ciso, second shot, not count. Yes, still Ciso. Roy. 10 second shot. Baba, stopping shot. Ay, balik ang kalarangan. Change favor. Back to black team. 1.8, 26-27. Last 2 minutes. There's a foul. 1 minute and 54. Foul number 17, Doc. De La Cruz. 2 shots given to numbers 47, Herrera. Herrera, 2 shots. Yes, the last and final quarter. Herrera, 2 shots given. Herrera, wala. Number 17, De La Cruz. Herrera. Alright, mga delay.
Travelers.
1 minute and 42.
Bola. Kamu jalan nila. Kabila. Then bola nin.
Foul number 4. Backup shooting, hindi po. Both teams are in penalty. Aluban, Persian. Down, all 7. 1 minute and 33. Air ball. Deadlock, all 27. 1 minute and 33. Season. Fourth and second shot clock. 3-5. 1 minute and 20. Miranda.
Travelers.
One away. One minute and 5 seconds. And Ciso. Maybe 7 seconds. Sa foul, penalty na po yan. Both teams are in penalty. Foul number 16, Palupan. 40 seconds remaining time, 40 seconds. Both teams are in penalty. Remaining time, 40 seconds. Baba. Seconds remaining time. In the last and final quarter, Ababat second try. Sinisenyohan na ni Ababat. Magbanwa. Still 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Das lang. No, das lang po yun. Hindi naman niya yung tinira, hindi kinakatampaan niya. Tinira niya, kailangan mo yung katampaan mo. Para maging 2 shots. Kaya 2 shots lang siya. 21 seconds remaining time. Ready jumper. At pagtira po ng akap shooting, yung tinatawag natin na kailangan nakalimang pa. 21 seconds. Okay. 2 point na. Wala na po tayo shot lock ha. 21 seconds. 28-31. 3 points lead Black Team. Sa foul. Both teams are in penalty. Pwede pa. Nahaba pa hanggat hindi bumabasa. Sabi ni Jaworski. Bumabasa yan. Never siya guy. Parang pelikula, no? Parang ano lang. Thank you very much, Jarir Bookstore. This is our second season. Black Team, pa-picture po tayo rito, Black Team.